Welcome back, boutique babes, to Sharon's Nail Boutique. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are unboxing this beautiful Zodiac Series 2 kit by SXC. I have their first kit and I am loving this second one as well. So we're going to go through and just unbox everything and show you what they have. This is their information, the manufacturer, where you could find them on their social media sites, and basically what the kit is called and where you can find it on Amazon. I will leave the links for everything in the description index as always for you all. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. They give you a nice little welcoming letter and different tips and tricks on how to apply their product and just different elements of the product itself, all these different tips to help you get started and techniques of what to use, what works. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you could be reminded every time I upload. That was what the colors in this kit looks like. You will get dual forms. You'll get these, or sorry, these are dual forms. You'll get the paper forms that I just shared with you. I'm not sure if it's a 50 count or a 25 count, but it seems like a 50 count. You'll get two different types of these dual forms. You'll get the royal curve, and then you'll get like more of the flat shape. You get these beautiful stones. You get this glitter mylar here, and then you also get these beautiful, I love these mylar pieces. Aren't they gorgeous? Like if you use these in the nail and flip them different ways, they look so pretty. Then you get these gorgeous mixed butterfly colors. And I was actually surprised to see that this file was straight and it had no bumps. It wasn't falling apart, but it's still a flimsy file just because the quality is not really there. But however, I will be able to use it because it is in straight condition. It's in perfect condition. It wasn't bent on the way here. So I love SXC'S brushes. Love, love, love. They are oval and they are Kolinsky. You could tell by looking at the shade of the hairs, whereas a lot of other kits give you a synthetic brush. I just prefer using Kolinsky. I just feel like the quality of the hairs is much smoother. I love all the stones that you get. So you get Leo, Pisces, and the colors are there too. You also get Cancer. You also get Gemini, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. And in the other kit, you get the other 6 months of the year. So their top coat, it does have that same odor that you always get with their kit. I mean, it always smells the same to me with their top coat. Whereas their base coat, it does have an odor, but it's not anywhere near as strong as the top coat. And it's not that it's like a really wicked bad smell. It's just a weird type of odor. It's just a strong, weird type of odor, but it's not so bad that it gives you a headache or anything like that. So this is our first swatch here, and this is of the color Pisces. These are 30-gram tubes, which is awesome because most of the kits give you 15 grams. This is our second swatch, and this is Leo. It's gorgeous. These colors glow a different color under the light, which I do show you the swatches at the end and what they look like. This is our third swatch, which is Cancer, and it doesn't glow white. I think this glows like a blue or like a bluish purple. This one here is our fourth swatch, and this is Gemini. Very pretty. I love these colors. They're so stinking cute. This is Sagittarius, a purple, and I believe this actually glows like a pinkish color, I want to say, but we'll see in the end anyways. And this finally is Capricorn, which is a very pretty like corally color. I love, 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 love. I actually do a testing of these colors. See, there we go. So how pretty are these glow colors? Seriously, like wicked pretty. You see that white, how vibrant it glows? My goodness, these colors, you would never recognize them. Like the glow colors that they glow you don't get that impression from them when they're just regular by themselves, right? And I just love their first kit, the first Zodiac kit, those colors are very like bright standard like rainbow colors, whereas these are like the muted versions. So I'm gonna do a sample here using the base coat first. I'm gonna go in and just do a thin layer of their base coat. I filed this nail down from my previous set. Well, not really set because I only did one hand, but hey, you know, it's not fun working with your non-dominant hand. And you know, I really just wanted to share with you guys how much I just love SXC's products, but also how easy their product is to apply. And typically, I do not use the base coat for slip solution. I mean, I know it'll say slip solution on there, but technically all it really is like a base coat type of substance. Personally, I think it's just more ways to make money, like when they do the drill glue and like the jewelry gem glue. Like all that is just thick polygels or UV gels. It's just repackaged and repurposed. So I'm going in with, I believe this one is the Capricorn. So this is like that corally, really pretty like pinkish orange color. Excuse me. And I'm doing an ombre with this color and the Capricorn, I believe. No, this is Capricorn. The Sagittarius, I believe, is the purple one that I use after this color. So I'm going to ombre the two of them. I personally, like, ever since I discovered polygel, after acrylic, obviously, because I learned with acrylic, but I really wish I would have learned with polygel just because how much time it gives you to perfect it, and it just really gives you, it allows you to learn placement and molding and shaping and just all that good nail stuff without giving you the added stress of the product setting up too quickly. It's just amazing stuff, and I really wish I would have learned with this stuff, but I don't think it was available back in 2015. I'm not sure if it was. It definitely was not popular yet. I just love how easy it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You would never think that that coral color was going to glow purple. So freaking pretty. And so I add a little bit more because I want the ombre to really stand out. But also, I really like how it was like kind of see-through because the glitter that was underneath still showed through, and I thought it looked so pretty, even though I wasn't meaning to leave that there. I just thought, you know, it's not bad looking. It actually looks like I meant to leave it there, you know. So just blending that second bead into that first bead, making sure that, you know, that it's built up properly and it's not too thick at that free edge. Just making sure that my side walls are nice and straight and that it is nice and even. Wait till you see this. I just love when they glow. Oh my gosh, I love it. So freaking pretty. And I think the color on that is good. So I'm going to go in now with the Sagittarius. Look at that purple. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this here, push that all the way up as close as I could get it without touching the skin. And you see how I'm kind of like pushing that up and then patting over to each side. That's to get that bead nice and tucked and thin around those side wall areas and cuticle area. You don't want your bulk up there. You want your bulk to be in that strength point area. So the center back third of the nail, and then we'll pull down from that bottom portion like so. And so your strength point will be right where it needs to be, which is like that natural, right above that natural free edge area on your natural nail. So see how that comes up ever so slightly, and then kind of up to a little bit of a hill, but not huge. Oh my God, look at that blend. So pretty. These colors just look so good together. I do add a little more because it is a little bit translucent in some areas, so didn't want that. And I just want to make sure I'm not adding too much, just enough to really get that coverage that I'm looking for. and, you know, not too much to where I can't come back in and, you know, file it and be there forever filing just bulk, bulk, bulk. No, you want to make sure that you get your product as perfect as you can possibly get it before you set it up and cure it. Before you put it in that lamp, you want to make sure that your product is laid the way you want it for the most part. That way, when you do come in and file, it's not a whole lot of filing that you're going to be doing. But oh my gosh, just look at that. So if I was going to cap this now, what I would do is I would go in with a good portion of that right at the free edge area and then buff and shape. So I really hope that you guys like this demonstration. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video coming up soon. Enjoy these pics. Bye everybody. I love you all so much. Don't forget about the 1,000-person giveaway coming up soon. Bye.